So we're going to see IR spectra. IR absorption spectra can be obtained by irradiating the sample in an IR spectrometer and plotting the percentage of transmittance. Okay, by plotting the percentage of transmittance against wave length or wave number. Okay, so you can plot the graph against percentage of transmittance against the wave number or wavelength. In the case of UV spectra, you will be plotting the absorption against the wave number, whereas in this case you are going to plot percentage transmittance against the wavelength or wave number. In this the vibration, once the molecules are irradiated with the IR spectra or the IR radiation, we can say that the molecules will be starting vibrating. Okay, they will start vibrating. So you have studied the theory of it. We will see the specific IR spectra of certain organic molecules. The first one we have got to study is IR spectra of alcohols. IR spectra of alcohols. So for that you should know the range of alcohol. So alcohol means it is OH, or you can write, if it is primary alcohol, RCH2OH, or you can say that it is ROH. Okay, so we can say that the IR spectra will be showing a band of alcohol. IR spectra of alcohols will be showing a band around 36,650 to 36,000 per centimeter. In this particular range, you will be getting a spectra. Okay, you will be getting a spectra, and this indicate the presence of free OH group in it. Okay, this indicates the presence of free OH group. And suppose you get a band around 3500 to 3200 per centimeter. Okay, so in that case this represents OH group in it. Okay, hydrogen bonded. Okay, it will be showing the hydrogen bonded OH group. Okay, so if you get a peak over here, it means that there is hydrogen bonded OH group in it. That is mostly the bending vibrations. Okay, it is mostly the bending vibrations, and you get a very strong band over here. You'll be having a very strong band over here. And then suppose you get a value around 1300 to 1000 per centimeter. That represents the CO stretching vibration. Okay, CO stretching, that is a ROH, or ROH means there is a bond between carbon and oxygen. CO bond is there, so it represents a stretching vibration, CO stretching vibration. And then we can say, suppose you have a value around 3000 to 2850 per centimeter. That represents the CH stretching band. Okay, CH stretching band. And suppose you have a value at 1400 per centimeter, it shows HCH, bending vibration. HCH, bending vibration. So these are the common spectra that you will be seeing in alcohols. And we should know that there are stretching and bending. There are two types of vibrations. There is suppose this is water. Okay, what is stretching? Stretching means this OH and this OH can equally stretch. Okay, this can be stretching over here and this can be stretching over here. That is the stretching vibration. And or you can say that this is stretching to this side, or this is stretching and this is coming the this is stretching and this is coming to this side. These are all the stretching vibration. Now you can say that once a molecule is having or absorbing the IR radiation, it can also have the bending vibration. Bending means suppose this is a molecule. Okay, what is bending? It can bend. Okay, it can come close like this. It can come this side and come this side, or one will be coming here, the other will be going. This is the bending vibration. Okay, so just like this, you have these two bending vibrations. It can bend like this. So you can have bending vibration and also the stretching vibration. That is what we have marked over here. So suppose you see all these ranges, we can say that that will be due to the presence of alcohol. Now we'll see the IR spectra of a very simple alcohol.